Transform your iPad into a powerhouse of productivity with this precision-built keyboard case, designed to streamline your daily tasks and elevate your creativity. Whether you're typing reports, sketching designs, reading long articles, or watching videos, its 4-in-1 functionality adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Built for the iPad Pro and Air, this case includes a full-sized keyboard with an ultra-responsive trackpad and 11 dynamic RGB backlight colors to enhance visibility in low-light settings. Embrace a seamless listening experience with the Sony LinkBuds Fit, engineered to blend effortlessly into your active lifestyle. Compact, lightweight, and featuring innovative air-fitting supporters, these earbuds deliver a snug, secure fit even during high-energy workouts. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or moving through a busy day, they stay comfortably in place without weighing you down. The LinkBuds Fit sharpen your awareness with an enhanced ambient sound mode, blending external sounds naturally into your audio experience while shielding you from excessive noise. There's a bold satisfaction in precision. From its solid metal frame to its finely engineered keystrokes, this keyboard blends the nostalgia of vintage typewriters with modern performance. Crafted with all-metal construction, including a cast metal return bar, fully programmable and defaulting to the Enter key, it delivers tactile feedback that feels intentional and grounded. The scroll knobs serve dual duty, controlling both page navigation and volume, offering a unique interface that's as practical as it is stylish. The Samsung Bot Care and Bot Handy represent a leap in home assistance technology, with innovative features designed to make everyday tasks more efficient. Bot Handy stands out with its extendable gripper arm, allowing it to perform tasks like setting the table, loading the dishwasher, or even pouring drinks. Equipped with cameras on both its head and arm, it uses advanced AI to recognize various objects, from large items to small, and assess their shape, size, and weight. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full-band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. Meet Luna, the robotic companion that blends intelligence, playfulness, and affection. This unique pet isn't just an advanced piece of technology, but a friend who will quickly become part of your daily life. Whether you're coming home or just moving around the house, Luna is always there, eager to follow and interact with you. Her excitement is contagious as she happily responds to your touch and attention. Luna is more than just a playful robot. She's smart, with cutting-edge features like a high-definition RGB camera and a powerful CPU, capable of 5 TOPS of computing power. Rugged streets and icy mountain trails finally converge into one platform. Meet the Boardrop, a hybrid training tool and immersive motion controller crafted from real recycled snowboards and skateboards. Designed to blur the lines between gaming and sport, BoardDrop responds to every twist, turn, and lean using advanced motion tracking. Whether you're grinding out a digital halfpipe or enhancing real-world balance and core strength, it delivers a dynamic, full-body workout wrapped in LED-powered flair. The Lenovo ThinkBook Transparent Display Laptop represents an innovative step in the world of computing, blending physical reality with digital interaction. Though still a concept, this device introduces a 17.3-inch transparent micro-LED display, which allows users to interact with both the virtual and physical world simultaneously. The transparent screen provides a unique ability to display content while offering a clear view of what's behind it. Key features of this groundbreaking laptop include its transparent display, which can overlay digital content over real-world objects. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving. And that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. Dusk redefines the iconic Wayfarer sunglasses, blending timeless style with cutting-edge technology for a modern, functional experience. These sunglasses bring more than just protection from the sun, featuring electrochromic lenses that allow you to adjust the tint to your exact preference instantly. Whether you're basking in bright sunlight or moving indoors, you have full control, eliminating the need for traditional reactive lenses. Designed with convenience in mind, the Dusk sunglasses integrate seamlessly with your lifestyle. When the heat bears down and the sun dips low, the Giselife Ultra One steps in as your all-in-one camp essential. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers more than just airflow. It merges high-speed cooling, ambient lighting, and emergency power into one rugged, compact tool. Its brushless motor cranks out wind speeds up to 16.5 meters per second, pushing 45,000 RPM with 10 precise fan settings to dial in your comfort. Even from 10 feet away, you'll feel the steady breeze slicing through stagnant air. The Fisto Kucha stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The Ego Power Plus telescopic pole saw brings power, precision, and versatility to your outdoor tasks. Designed with an industry-first LED cut line indicator, it ensures you can accurately cut even in shaded or low-light conditions. Equipped with the 56-volt, 2.5 amp-hour ARC lithium battery, the pole saw delivers up to 100 cuts on a single charge, providing long-lasting performance. Not every toy listens. Fewer still understand. But Unicorn Kadi is more than a toy. It's a breakthrough in meaningful connection between children and technology. Whether it's a lazy afternoon or a long car ride, Kadi is always ready to chat, draw, sing, dance, or simply be there, turning everyday minutes into magical moments. Unicorn Kadi is a child-centric AI companion that adapts, listens, and responds with warmth. Strength and precision shape the bike and scooter locks. V160, a superior solution built for riders who value effortless security. Its automatic locking mechanism engages instantly, ensuring rapid protection without the need for fumbling keys or manual effort. The self-supporting design offers a robust standalone function, allowing users to lock up without leaning against unstable objects. Not every smartphone gets attention from tech giants and social media icons, but the Huawei Mate X-T breaks that mold with force. This tri-folding marvel isn't just a concept, it's a real commercially available powerhouse with the kind of presence that turns heads. What sets it apart isn't just the rare triple-fold mechanism, but the precise engineering behind it. Fully unfolded, it stretches into a massive 10.2-inch OLED LTPO display, just 0.14 inches thick, thinner than most tablets or even traditional smartphones. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Mini Proca condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass Rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. With a design inspired by a submarine, this humidifier brings a unique blend of style and functionality to any room. Its sleek, compact body stands out with a vivid color scheme that adds a touch of elegance, while the carefully crafted details enhance its visual appeal. The humidifier is not just a piece of decor, but a practical addition to your home. No hands, no problem. Miniso Puru's AirGlide touchless gesture control stand redefines how you interact with your iPhone or iPad. From across your desk or kitchen counter, simply wave to swipe, scroll, or play. Perfect for hands-busy multitaskers, it responds instantly to your gestures so you stay focused whether you're cooking, studying, or presenting. Crafted for stability and precision, this sleek, adjustable stand supports most iPhone and iPad models up to 11 inches. The Washriva Compact Countertop Dishwasher is designed to tackle dishwashing without taking up valuable space in your kitchen. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or any home with limited counter space, this dishwasher packs impressive cleaning power in a small footprint. With a 6-place setting capacity, it can handle plates, cups, and cutlery for up to 2 people, making it perfect for small households. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse. Designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat, this rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. In a world driven by precision, the Ringcon Smart Ring brings a refined approach to personal wellness without compromising comfort or style. Start your journey with the Ringcon Sizing Kit, an essential step to ensure the perfect fit before making your final purchase. Once you're set, dive into a seamless health monitoring experience backed by a one-time investment and zero subscription fees. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Redefining what it means to work in comfort, the Kofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro blends elegant precision with powerhouse performance. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic rooted in Japanese engineering, this monitor arm invites balance and control into your workspace. At its core lies a revolutionary double mechanical spring system that holds up to 30 pounds of weight, supporting monitors up to 40 inches with zero compromise in stability. Plevo's smart backpack and duffel bag redefines travel convenience with cutting-edge features and unmatched versatility. Available in two distinct products, Smart Backpack and Duffel Bag, these designs come in 4 different sizes, ensuring an ideal fit for every journey, whether short or long. With the integration of smart lock technology, users enjoy a seamless, secure experience, unlocking the bag with Face ID, Touch ID, or even Morse code for a touch of novelty. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. The PetKit Puribot Ultra is a cutting-edge, self-cleaning cat litter box designed to offer convenience and hygiene. With advanced features such as AI camera technology and 5G Wi-Fi control via a phone app, it's tailored for modern pet owners. The Puribot Ultra is engineered to make waste disposal as seamless as possible, with true hands-free auto-scooping that activates with each use. Breath. Mentally Reset in Minutes is a transformative tool for anyone seeking a quick yet effective way to regain balance amidst the pressures of daily life. In just a few minutes, this simple breathing technique offers a reset for the mind, easing stress and sharpening focus. Whether you're facing a hectic day, struggling with anxiety, or simply need to regain clarity, this routine is an accessible solution, requiring no prior experience or costly equipment.